All right, IUWA fans, let's keep the action going. The following contest is scheduled for one fall. First, coming to the ring, the assassin, Muhammed Altiair.
You know, make this guy, Muhammed Altiair, he's the bodyguard, the hitman. This guy's weighed in at about 200.
Oh yeah, we're back, baby.
Very
Come on out there.
He just can't wait to get his hands on anybody. He wants to do anything he can.
You know, as I said, you gotta have that mean streak in order to win out here. And Altiair definitely has that mean streak. You know, you have to be ruthless to be considered an assassin. And Altiair is all about extinguishing and terminating his opponent.
Hey, what are you doing?
I got some bad news for you.
What are you talking about?
The only one who's allowed to be ringside is the Sheik. You
Stop away from ringside.
He will be destroyed.
Mustafa doesn't have a manager license, so he shouldn't be at ringside anyway. So the only person that's entitled to be at ringside is the Sheik.
And you know, the referee can lay down the law any way he wants to. And it looks like the fans are very upset that Mustafa is leaving, if you know what I mean.
They want him out of there. And now he's Altiair and his manager, the Sheik.
And his opponent from Los Angeles, California, weighing 215 pounds, Temple Ray.
My guy right here, man. I love this kid. He's young, he's excited, and you know, the crowd loves to dance when this guy comes out.
That's right, Temple Ray is a little unorthodox, loser a little unorthodox, but the name of the game is get results. Temple Ray was 3 seconds away from being the Western State champion.
That's right, he had that Sunday beat there. One little slip up, kind of caused him the whole thing. But you know what, he's back, he's got his rematch that he wants. And I tell you what, both of these guys really put something big on the line. They both put their valets on the line for this match. So if Rain wins, he gets, of course, the Icons' pride and joy. And if Max Holiday pulls out the victory, he gets, of course, Rain's valet. And I don't think Rain's going to let that happen. I can see my prediction for the 30th is Rain becoming the new LOW Western State Champion.
I'll tell you what, I wouldn't mind having the Hollywood Icons valet escort me to the ring, if you know what I mean.
And Rain's going to get his chance to do just that. Let's see if he can pull it off here today. First of all, he's got a big match here, working on his opportunity to get to the 30th. And you have to watch Altiair. This guy is a punisher. Look at him, one hand.
I'll tell you, it looks like he has no idea what's going on.
That had to throw him for a loop right there.
Okay. Looks like he's trying to get his wits about him. But Altiair isn't used to that style of fighting. Altiair likes to break bones, break faces, and hurt people.
He's got a hand spill right here today. We're going to see if he can actually do this.
Oh, Altiair takes him out. You can't go to the well too many times.
If you do, somebody's going to figure you out. You have to really watch that. Oh.
Punching him right behind the ear, right in the shoulder.
He's going right for that shoulder that he pulled him down on. And Altiair, he is the assassin, so he knows exactly what to work on and what to try to hurt.
You know, I've heard that he was just trained in pressure points and basic bone breaking. Springboard snap super.
Springboard super.
How's it feel?
Altiair's going for the pin. Oh, no.
Oh, and the 2 count.
That was very close, though. That was very close. And right now, Rain's got to really suck it up and dig down deep. You don't want to lose this match right here, setting up for the 30th. You don't want to go into the 30th on the losing streak. He wants to go in there on fire.
And at the same time, the assassin doesn't want to go in with a losing streak as well. Because, you know, this what they've got going on over with a big side slam.
Big side slam. No, Rain's out of there.
That team battle that the Third Ward Order is going to have is going to be quite big. You want to have some type of winning streak going on right before that. A quick snap into the back of the head. Takes him out again. Foot straight to the face.
And Rain is giving him right now the what fuck.
And right now the assassin has that turtle syndrome. Knocked down on his back and doesn't know which way to go in order to get up.
Can't get up. And Rain right now is leveling with those forearms to the face. Off the rope he goes.
Nice fine leg, Larry.
That might be it right there. There's one.
Two.
No!
No, he doesn't get him.
And the Sheik was making his way in there. You gotta keep an eye on this guy. You cannot take your eyes off the Sheik. He was making his way right in
You
there.
can't take out the assassin that easy. You can't take him with a simple leg, Larry. You're going to have to cover more ground with that. Oh, he's got him locked up. Got him locked up in just a
big forearms.
One more.
Those big, massive forearms to the back of Rain.
Pounding him down.
I'll tell you, this guy's a beast. I mean, this guy's a beast. And
Hey, count right. Yes. Come on.
But Rugged Ronnie definitely doesn't like that Third Ward Order.
no, he doesn't. He's got beef with the Third World Order. But you know, the count is the count. You know what I'm saying? You can't. Each rep has their own style of counting. Rugged Ronnie is showing his own style right here today of counting.
And you know, if you can't beat them with a pinfall, they can always tap.
You can always make it tap.
I do believe
That's
that's
like a
it.
reverse gut buster there. That was. Oh, Ray put on the last minute, put that foot right on the rope, and that was close.
That was lit.
Foot's on the
That was
rope.
lit.
Foot went on the rope.
What are you
It's coming now.
That was still two.
Rain had all the air knocked out of him. You know, I don't think Rain could have kicked out.
That one took the win on him, Mac, right there. If it wasn't for that rope right there, it might be all over.
I don't think he could have kicked out on that. I think all he had was enough strength to get that foot up. And I think it was mainly just luck.
Oh! Ray patented move. And he got it. And Ray.
The winner of your night, Temple Ryan. But in the meantime, we've got quite a loser streak going on for the Third Ward Order.
Yeah, the Third World Order is a little down today. Maybe the Third World Order might be finally getting a little weak.
Good night, ladies.